What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to change your own key on this magnificent Range Rover key. Alright, so this one actually is pretty simple. You got an arrow right here on the side, so you just find that and you push like that. You should hear a click. Pull it up like this. There's a little key in here. Just pull that off. You're going to use this key to put in this little slot here. It looks like a power button switch. So there's like a little rectangle. Put it in there. Share another click. That comes apart. There's another key in there. I mean, not key. A battery. There's a battery right there. So, but be careful. Don't mess this key up. For you to get a new key and for them to program it, it's like $700. So just be careful. Don't break it. So same thing. You change your battery, pull it out, push it back inside like this, line it up. This one's a little bit. You gotta give it a good push here. Close it. Make sure all the sides are nice and flipped in. Put the key back inside. And then this should line up. Once you get the key, this should line up like this, flush, and you just push it up, and it should be even up. There you go. That's that. Thank you for watching. If you want to see any more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section.